Welcome to Healing with Kera. Today I want to talk to the part of you that's been carrying pain for far too long. Whether it's childhood wounds, heartbreak, or the loss of someone that you truly love. You see, pain has a way of making us feel we are broken beyond repair. It makes us believe we are broken and we can't be healed. But I want to let you know that your healing matters and that you are not alone. You see, sometimes when you go through pain, it becomes part of you. It lives inside of you. And for you to move on, it takes a lot of courage. It takes a lot of strength. It takes a lot of work. You need to be patient with yourself. You need to give yourself time. You need to put yourself into that pain and let your body, your soul, and everything about you go through it, because you can fight it. No matter what you try to do, that pain has become part of you. So you need to take some time to heal. You see, first thing that you need to do is believing in yourself that you can overcome that pain, because no one is going to do that for you. You might cry for as much as you want. Question yourself if all the effort, everything you did was all worth it. Yes, it was all worth it. It wasn't your fault. Sometimes when we make plans, it doesn't just go the way we want. But trust me, there is a better plan ahead of you. There's a better solution ahead of you. You just have to pick yourself up and do it again. Secondly, you have to acknowledge the pain. You have to tell yourself, yes, this happened, but that is never the end of you. The third one is for you to seek therapy. It could either be someone you trust, that you really, really trust. I know it's hard for you to trust someone, and I know sometimes it's very difficult for people to keep secret. But you just have to talk to someone. Okay, you just have to believe in yourself that talking to someone will make you feel better. It's just the way of the universe. Whether you like it or not, one day, someday, it will definitely get out there. Okay, so the fourth one is for you to eat well. Eat well. Stop starving yourself. You need strength to cry. Yes, I know. You need to cry. You need to soak yourself in the pain. Oh yes, but take care of your body. Take care of your soul. Take care of the inner you. The fifth one is for you to forgive yourself. It wasn't your fault. Whatever happened wasn't your fault. You gave everything. You did everything. But sometimes it's always happen in a different way. So you need to forgive yourself and let it go. Let yourself breathe again. Let yourself live again. Your healing matters. You are not alone. You see, healing isn't about rushing. It's about becoming the better version of yourself. It's about becoming your true self, the real you, and becoming a better person. If you're healing from a heartbreak, I need you to know that you deserve love, you deserve care, and you deserve everything good. Let them go. Let them live. They never knew your worth. They never knew what, or rather, they don't know what they're missing, and they don't know what they left. If you're healing from childhood trauma, I need you to know that it wasn't your fault. You did everything you could. You were just a child that needed protection, that needed love, that needed care, that needed attention. You were never asking for too much. You didn't beg anyone to come to this world. You didn't beg anyone for you to be born. So I need you to know that you were special. And your parents did all they knew at that time. They did all they could at their own power, at their own strength, with the little resources they had at that time. But you can be a better person for your children, for the people you love, or for the person you're becoming. And if you're grieving for someone that you lost that was dear to your heart, I know how painful it is. I remember when I lost my dad, it was a very difficult period for me. I never thought I would survive it. I saw my mom went through pain. I saw my mom went through these difficult periods of time that I was thinking, when do we get out of this pain? When do we get out of this agony? I always tell myself, oh, it will get better. The future is bright. There's light at the end of the tunnel. Oh, trust me, darling, it's not an easy journey. You're going to cry. You're going to weep. But trust me, the person you lost will never wish for you to keep crying. They are gone, and they are gone forever. You need to move on. You need to live again. You need to learn to do without them because they are no more there. I know how difficult it is. Yes, it is hard to forget. The truth is that you can never forget. You will not forget them because they are part of you. They live inside of you. You share memories. You share a bond that is a bond that no one can actually separate. So I want you to take time and breathe, eat, sleep, and take care of yourself. And trust me, tomorrow is gonna be better.